Welcome back. You're watching Hot Stocks on ET Now. Connect with the management of Ruchi Soya then as they launch a new brand of soya chunks, and they do target about 10% of market share this fiscal. Let's connect with the management. Satendra Aggarwal, COO of the company, now joins us on the show. Mr. Aggarwal, good morning and great to have you with us. Let's discuss the new product launch, Mahakosh. You were only into edible oils until now. What's your rationale behind expanding brand to soya chunks?
Yeah, so fundamentally, if you've read the report which came out from Euromonitor just about a month ago, Indian packaged food market is close to 250 lakh crores of 250,000 crores of market size by revenue. And we are the fourth largest packaged food company in this country, followed only by, led by Amul and Britannia and Mother Dairy, and we are the fourth largest edible company in the country. Now, our managing director, Mr. Dinesh Sara, actually saw this vision about 5 years or 8 years ago and told we need to really transform and make ourselves into a really large company in the FMCG space. We were large in edible oils. So we undertook our first journey into really creating the power brands of Mahakosh, Sunrich. Nutrela in oils was already there, and Nutrela in soya chunks was already a generic brand name. When you talk about soya chunks, all you can think about is Nutrela. So in our first phase in last 3 years, we've sort of put our architecture today in terms of how in another 2 or 3 years, which is by 2020, we will be the second largest packaged food company in this country without fail. And we are very, very optimistic and excited about it. Our last 3 years performance has been spectacular in the packaged area. We've grown strong double digits in volume, and double digit volume growth for a large company is something which any organization will die for. Our revenues have been very healthy, and so in the last 6 months we decided we need to now move on to the leg 2, which is shift gears for the company, get into the exciting and fast areas of launches, expand into the categories which are synergistic with our major edible oils. We're the largest packaged edible oil manufacturers and sellers in this country. And so it became a natural choice. When you look back, our first foray, we already have Nutrela soya chunks, which is a generic name, but that is at the premium end of the segment. When you look at the soya vadi or soya chunks market, it is close to about 1,200 crores in a year.
Right.
But majority of that is loose, unbranded.
Yes. So allow me to come in here, Mr. Aggarwal. I wanted to talk about what your current capacity is and where you see your volumes headed for FY17.
Well, fundamentally, our volumes will continue to grow at double digit. We've got very strong plans for launches in not only just various types of edible oils, but also there are plans for launching various categories which are synergistic in the areas which we are dealing with. Packaged goods in the areas of staples is a huge opportunity. You've seen a lot of companies coming into this area very recently, and with our strength of a national footprint of distribution as well as sales as well as marketing, I am very much confident that we should be very, very soon reaching a number 2 position.
Okay, let you go on that note. Thanks very much for giving us the business outlook on Ruchi Soya. Let's keep it with the markets then, and Pritesh is with us on the show.